Overwhelm. Wow, what a topic. It can happen just in the normal running of a household. It happens at work. It happens when you've got too much on your plate. It happens when you have to step outside your comfort zone and learn a new skill. It can sometimes be just so overpowering, so overwhelming. It's so gut-wrenching. So here I am talking to you about overwhelm. You can see it's a different day, different shirt. Because overwhelm is sometimes how I feel about my life since it's changed and here on the farm. I have so many things that I need to do, want to do, and love to do, and trying to schedule them all in. And when I first started off welding, and I'm going to share a clip with you about my welding, I was so overwhelmed, and it took me days, a bit like the tax, it took me days to summon up the motivation and the energy to tackle it. And it was tackling it. The whole mindset at that point was quite negative. It was tackling it. It was a chore. I knew it was going to take me twice, 3 times as long. And so I'd set myself up for failure straight away with this whole overwhelm of welding. I've never done it before. Am I going to get it right? Is it all going to go right? What happens if? And it was just this whole big scenario happening. And eventually, with all of the mindset, I realized what I was doing to myself. And so I changed what I was saying to myself. And have a look at this video and you will see the benefits of mindset through all aspects of life. Well, I'm of the opinion of giving credit where credit's due, and my welding skills are progressing slowly. I'm now able to come out here without feeling sick in the stomach and without taking a month to get a run up at it. And here, look, I feel so chuffed with myself, giving myself credit for a great job achieved. Where are we? There we go. The gate had fallen apart, it had rusted at the bottom, so I've cut and welded another piece at the bottom, and then I've had to adjust the slide-on clips on the extension part there where it joins the panel. So I'm just thinking that, Margarita, you're a jolly legend.